I just got back from Walmart.
How bad was it?
I walked in for 3 things. I came out 40 minutes later with 12 things and a headache.
That's the American supermarket experience. Nobody goes in for 3 things and comes out with 3 things.
Is that a culture thing?
Completely. The layout is designed that way. Milk is always at the back. Essentials are never near the entrance.
So they want you to walk through everything first.
Every single aisle. Welcome to America.
Okay, so first thing, I walked in and couldn't find a basket anywhere, only giant carts.
Most big supermarkets only have carts. Baskets are usually near the self-checkout or the entrance of smaller stores.
I felt like I needed a cart just to carry the cart.
You get used to it. Did you bring your own bag?
I forgot.
That's the first lesson. In a lot of states, they charge for bags now. California, New York, Illinois, you're paying 10 to 25 cents per bag.
So I should always bring my own.
Always. And if you forget, at checkout they'll ask, "Do you need a bag?"
Do you need a bag?
And you just say,
I'm good, thanks. Wait, but I needed a bag.
then you say, "Yes, please," and they'll charge you. No big deal. Just know it's coming.
Okay, next problem. I needed soy sauce. I had no idea which aisle.
That's where people freeze. The aisle signs are up top, but they're not always helpful.
I saw international foods, and I thought that might be it.
That's usually right. Asian sauces, Latin ingredients, anything ethnic goes in international foods.
But if I can't find it?
Find an employee and say, "Excuse me, which aisle is the soy sauce?" Which aisle is the soy sauce? Short, specific. They'll point you right there.
What if they give me directions and I don't understand?
Just say, "I'm sorry, could you show me?" Nobody minds. They'll walk you there.
Could you show me?
That phrase works anywhere in America. Store, airport, hotel. Could you show me? People always say yes.
Can we talk about the aisle situation for a second?
The dance?
Yes. I was standing there reading a label, and I had no idea I was completely blocking someone behind me.
That happens constantly. And in America, people will say something. They won't just wait.
They said, "Excuse me," and I panicked and said, I'm so sorry.
Too much. When someone says excuse me in a store, they just want to get past. You move and say,
Oh, my bad.
that's it. My bad kills the awkwardness instantly. No big apology needed.
What's the difference between excuse me and pardon me?
Excuse me is every day. Grocery store, hallway, anywhere. Pardon me is a little more formal. You'd hear it at a nice restaurant or from someone older.
So in a supermarket,
Always excuse me. And if you're the one who needs to get past, you say it too. Excuse me, just squeezing by.
excuse me, just squeezing by.
Nobody gets offended. Everyone's just trying to get their groceries and go home.
Okay, the produce section. This was my biggest problem.
The scale situation?
I picked up a bunch of something green. Could have been spinach, could have been kale. Honestly, had no idea. No barcode, no sticker, nothing.
Classic produce panic.
I'm standing there at the scale, staring at a screen with 20 options.
First thing, look for a small sticker on the shelf, or sometimes on the bag itself. It has a 4-digit number. That's the PLU code.
PLU code.
Type that in, and the scale knows exactly what you have and what it costs.
What if there's no sticker anywhere?
Find someone and say, "Excuse me, do you know the code for this?"
Do you know the code for this?
Not "what is this called," just the code. It's faster for them.
And if nobody's around?
Leave it in your cart. At the register, just tell the cashier, "I couldn't find the code for this one."
I couldn't find the code for this one.
They have everything memorized. Takes them 2 seconds.
So the produce section is not the place to panic.
Never panic at produce. There's always a solution.
Okay, checkout. This is where it got really intense.
The 5 questions.
5 questions before I could even pay.
Every cashier in America runs the same script. Once you know it, it's actually kind of comforting.
Hit me.
Question 1. Did you find everything okay?
I never know what to say to that.
Yes, thanks, and keep moving. It's not a real question, it's a warm-up.
Unless you actually didn't find something.
Then you say, "Actually, I was looking for X. Do you have it?" They'll check for you.
Okay, question 2.
Do you have a rewards card with us?
I never have a rewards card.
No, not today.
No, not today.
That phrase is perfect because not today leaves the door open. You're not saying never, you're just saying not right now. Cashiers appreciate that.
Question 3.
Do you need a bag?
I'm good, thanks, if you have your own.
Exactly. Or yes, please, if you need one.
Question 4. The roundup thing.
Would you like to round up for charity?
I never know if I should say yes or no.
Either is fine. No thank you is completely normal. Nobody judges. If you want to donate, just say sure.
And question 5.
The store credit card. Would you be interested in saving 10% with our store card today?
Always at the end.
Always. Just smile and say, not today, thanks.
Not today, thanks.
5 questions, 5 easy answers. Once you know the script, checkout takes 30 seconds.
Oh, wait, I forgot one. When I paid with my debit card, the machine asked me something I completely didn't understand.
Would you like cash back?
Yes, what is that? A reward? A discount?
Neither. It's asking if you want to withdraw cash from your bank account right now at the register.
Like an ATM at the checkout counter.
Exactly. You say how much you want, $20, $40, $60, and it adds that to your total and gives you the cash.
That's actually genius.
Very convenient if you need cash. But if you don't,
Just say no.
just tap no on the screen or say no thanks. It's not a reward, it's not free money, just a cash withdrawal option.
I almost said yes, thinking I was getting something for free.
Everyone thinks that the first time.
But what about when the card doesn't go through?
Oh, the declined card moment.
Happened to me once. I just froze.
That's the worst feeling. But here's the thing. It happens to Americans too. Every single day.
What do you actually say?
First, don't apologize 5 times. Just say, let me try that again.
Let me try that again.
Calm, normal, no big deal. If it happens again, let me use a different card.
Let me use a different card.
That's it. The cashier has seen it 1,000 times.
What if I only have one card?
Ask, is there an ATM nearby? Or, can you hold these while I sort this out?
They'll actually hold your stuff?
Of course. They'll set your card aside, help the next person, come back to you when you're ready.
That's actually really nice.
Most cashiers are great. The job is harder than it looks.
And how do you prevent it?
Before any trip, call your bank and say, I'll be using my card in the US. That one call stops most declined situations.
One call saves all the embarrassment.
Every time.
Last one, returns. I bought something, got home, didn't want it. What's the move?
Go to the customer service desk, not the checkout line, customer service, usually near the entrance.
What do I say?
I'd like to return this.
I'd like to return this.
They'll ask if you have a receipt.
What if I don't?
I don't have the receipt, but I paid by card. They can usually look it up.
Really?
Most big supermarkets, Walmart, Target, Kroger, can pull up your transaction from your card number.
What if I paid cash and lost the receipt?
That's harder. Some stores will give you store credit. Some won't take it back at all.
So always pay by card.
For anything you might return, yes. Card is always safer than cash for that exact reason.
I'd like to return this. I paid by card. That's all you need.
And be nice to the person at the desk. They didn't make the return policy. Nice gets you further every time.
Okay, before we go, give me the short version. If someone's about to walk into an American supermarket for the first time, what are the 5 phrases they need?
Just 5?
Just 5.
Okay. Could you show me when you're lost and directions aren't helping?
Could you show me?
Do you know the code for this? At the produce scale, no barcode.
Do you know the code for this?
Not today, thanks. Rewards card, store card, roundup, all of it. One phrase covers everything.
Not today, thanks.
Let me try a different card, if your card doesn't go through. Stay calm, say this, move on. Let me try a different card. And I'd like to return this. I paid by card. Customer service, no receipt needed.
I'd like to return this. I paid by card.
Those 5 phrases, you can handle anything that supermarket throws at you.
Screenshot that, save it. You'll thank yourself later.
See you in the next one.